Hi guys, it's Hasya and Nawrah, and now today we're gonna open a wonder egg or a Smiggle egg, but we took out the plastic. Okay, and it has 6 surprises in it, and it's from Smiggle. Our mom tried it. Purposely, is that the purple egg now? So we're gonna open it according to this slide. This is the fast rice. Wait. What? She got the same thing like me? Let's see if it's a slow riser. It's a fast. So in here you will get a squishy unicorn. Yeah, a squishy unicorn. Slime. No, it's actually called goo. Oh yeah. Goo. A slime bracelet. And a stretchy thingy. It says contents not edible, do not eat. And what is this? A keychain! A unicorn keychain. What's this? Heavy. And this is where you store money, I think. No? Yeah, for real! Oh yeah, this is the first for she can do. Now we're going to open this because I really want to know what is this. And I really want to know what's this. Let's open it. Oh my god. What does it feel like? It feels like hard slime. And it is no. And it sticks to stuff. Oh my god! Jelly! We got a wallpaper. It's actually hard and like thin and stretchy slime that if you do like this, it will like stick to something. Alright? See, this is a very stretchy hand, and then perhaps it only. So I guess this one is my favorite so far. It's not as stretchy. It's really stretchy. So yeah, and also I like this because it's like half slime and like half jelly with like some things. But okay, now we're gonna show you the squishy unicorn. Look at the squishy unicorn. So it's actually squishy. Yeah, you can squish it. It's not a slow riser, it's a fast riser. In fact, that is more bigger than this keychain. And guys, if you smell this, mine smells like cotton candy grape. Mine smells like cotton candy strawberry. So let's put it in a treasure thing. But my unicorn is broke, so I'm gonna give her this. Baby unicorn. My baby unicorn is gonna take this. She's gonna taste that. So now we're gonna do the glue. We already opened it thanks to our Sanda, and here is how the glue. And it's almost like slime, but it like doesn't stick to the container that much. It's pudgy. It's like pudgy. Yeah. And it can tear, of course, easily. It can stretch. Yeah, okay with it. It's kind of like slime and putty mixed together, like how Austin gave me the eraser that he said it was a dog that he said it was made of slime and Play-Doh, but it didn't really look like a dog. It looked like a Chinese dog. And I put my glove thing in here. Yeah, you can put your glove thing in here if you want because they both are really good. Mama. So yeah, and the consistency is really good. It doesn't stick to your hand. It doesn't actually stick to anything. But it sticks to the container a little bit. And look at it, it's like honey slime. So yeah, so that's why I love this glue with these two things. Can we play with it? Yes. Look at this. This is actually and one problem is that everything's same for us. Maybe she got in a pink cake, everything will not be the same. I hope it makes fart sounds. Well, it's sad because it doesn't make fart sounds. Oh, only when it's sticking to this one. And it's so cool. But it is almost really like really good. Like it doesn't stretch a lot. It doesn't move a lot. It doesn't do anything a lot like honey or slime. So yeah. But it does like mix the honey and slime inside. Well, that's just because glue is made of it. Yeah, glue is made of actually. It has a stretchy a tear. It easily tears like putty, and it easily stretches like slime. Yeah, easily breaks when you stretch it so fast. It actually doesn't, if you know. So yeah, I'm break. Unbreakable spirits. Yup. And yeah. So we're gonna put it back into the container. Perfect. So the things that we got are these flat little hands, but they will get some dust and dirty things on them because they're sticky and they'll get. No, you have to play with outside until I'm done here. So yeah. So I got a stretchy arm. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this. This is a wallet. And here's a keychain. Here's the glue that I showed you, and here's a squishy. But I'm gonna give it glue. The glue's really fun. Yep, the glue is the most funnest one actually in this one because it is really good. Yeah. It says Smiggle on everything. It doesn't say Smiggle on everything, but the container says Smiggle for the glue, but not the glue. And it doesn't say anything on the unicorn or the keychain or the flat hand.